Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here to my channel, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I'm really hoping that you guys hit that subscribe button just down below. It's free to click on. Okay, it's free to click on and you guys will get notified when I have a new upload. I do tons of different types of video on this channel, and for the new year I am upping up the content, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And to all of my OG subscribers, thank you guys so much for sticking with your girl. So this video is going to be all about my 2017 weight loss journey, or the weight loss journey that I hope to achieve in 2017. Now, I've been big like my entire life, like since as long as I can remember, and I've tried a lot of times to lose weight and I've failed. And I think it was because I was trying to lose weight for other people and not myself. I've always kind of been very content with my body and how I look. I don't ever remember being in a state where I hated the way I looked, or I looked in the mirror and I, would break down and stuff. Like, I've never really experienced that. I mean, of course, we all go through times where we look in the mirror and we're like, damn, I wish I could rock this dress a little nicer or wear those jeans a little nicer and things like that. But I've never like hated myself and things like that and how I looked. So it was always other people saying that I need to lose weight, I'm too young to be that big, and da-da-da-da-da and things like that. So I've always kind of gone on a weight loss journey on other people's terms and not mine. And I think that's why I've failed so much in losing weight over the years, because it wasn't for myself, it's for other people. So people are saying, aunts, uncles, mom, family members, friends saying you need to lose weight, da 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 da. So I've tried the dieting, I've tried going to the gym, and I would just stop because, one, I wouldn't see results in like 2 days, and which is unrealistic, obviously. And I don't know, I just never stuck to it. And I don't know, I'd feel so motivated at first, and then after a while it's just like, ugh, forget this. Like, I've been going to the gym straight for 1 month, why haven't I lost 50 pounds kind of thing. So I've decided that for the new year, for myself, that I want to lose weight. And it's mostly just because I'm very happy with myself. I'm very, very happy in how I look, in my appearance and everything. And I'm using that happiness as a motivation to feel even better about myself, if that makes any sense. So like, before I would use like the pressure of other people as motivation, which kind of just demotivated me at the end of the day. But because I'm happy with the way that I look and stuff, it's like I want to look better in the new year. You know what I mean? Like, I've been telling myself that 2017 is going to be the year of the slay. Like, I'm slaying everything in my life for 2017. I'm slaying my bank account. I want them digits to be big. Okay, I'm trying to save, trying to buy myself a new car. I'm just trying to do so many things in the new year. And I was like, you know what? If I'm trying to get my pockets right, if I'm trying to get my clothes right, I might as well get my body right. And so I've decided to embark on a weight loss journey for 2017. So for all of my people out there who also want to lose weight in the new year, I think it'll be a really great idea for all of us to kind of do this together. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like me putting it out there on YouTube is going to keep me accountable for actually going to the gym and losing weight and stuff. So that's why I'm kind of putting it out there, so y'all can send me vibes like, Ashley, you better go to the gym, you better eat right, so y'all can hold me accountable. Because trust me, it's so easy for me to get off track and get distracted. And sometimes I watch the scale too much. Like, I've gone to the gym for like 1 month straight, I've been eating good, why have I lost like 3 pounds? Like, you know what I mean? And yeah, I just want to be kind of held accountable, and I think it would be fun for all of us to kind of, do this together. If you guys are on a weight loss journey, definitely include me in your weight loss journeys. Tag me in your videos and on Instagram. Let me know what you guys are doing. I need help with this in terms of different workouts that I need to do and things like that. But I think it would be good for me to broadcast it online so that I kind of stay accountable for how I do my workout journey. So So far what I've done is I've cut out juice, all juice. I am a juice girl. I'm not that much of a soda girl, but I'm a juice and smoothie girl. I'm addicted to McDonald's smoothies, by the way. McDonald's has like the most amazing smoothies. I'm just putting it out there. McDonald's has the best smoothies. I'm addicted to their smoothies. I drink their smoothies all the time and their milkshakes. And so I've decided to cut out juice. So I only drink water and hot chocolate when I'm at work. But I just drink water. I've been doing that for the past week so far. And I found out with myself through failed attempts that I can't do anything like cold turkey. Like I can't just say, oh, I'm going to change everything. I'm going to eat right. Like I can't do it like that. I have to start little. So I decided first I'm going to transition into just drinking water. So as of last week, I started just drinking only water. And then eventually I'm going to little by little transition out different foods that I eat and try to implement better eating habits. Because let me tell you what it is with me. I eat really bad. The thing is, I don't eat often enough. I literally eat like one meal a day. And it's usually not a good meal. So it's like my body's been, Ashley, when is you going to eat? Ashley, we's hungry. When is you going to eat? And then when I finally eat, it's junk food or something, because by the time I get home from work, I'm tired. I don't want to cook. So I usually just pick up fast food. So that's it with me. I noticed that with myself, it's portion control is my problem. And eating enough in the day is also my problem, because they say, like, I've been to GNC and they're like, you know, you need to be eating like 5 to 6 meals a day. If minimum 3 meals, at least you should be having a day. But better, it's to have like 5 or 6 small meals a day. And like I eat 1 meal a day. So when I finally eat, my body's just holding on to it, because I haven't eaten all day. So my body's holding on to this junk food that I ate because I didn't make a healthier food choice. Y'all feeling me on this? Do y'all understand what I'm trying to say? So I can't go in cold turkey. So little by little, I am transitioning healthier food. So I've been doing the water thing for the past week, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, my skin has been a lot clearer. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not even like boosting or lying. My face has become a lot clearer. My dark marks aren't as bold or predominant anymore. It's like they're fading away. It's really interesting. So the water has been working with me so far. I am just drinking regular water, but I'm going to transition into like a detox water where I put lemons and stuff in my water. But as of right now, I'm just drinking plain old bottled water. I tell myself to drink at least 4 bottles of water a day, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes for the whole day, I'll drink like 1 bottle of water. I know that's bad, but I'm a work in progress, okay? I'm eventually going to get to the point where I can wax off 4 bottles a day and it's nothing. But, you know, everything happens little little. I feel that I'm also really hard on myself when it comes to losing weight. So it's like I'm pushing and pushing so hard, and I'm going in, like, you know, and by the time I go on the scale, it's like all of 4 pounds I lost. Like, what? It's like in my head, I'm expecting to have lost like 50 pounds, and y'all feel me. So I'm deciding to go on a fresh weight loss journey. I'm not going to go with the same tactics that I've done in the past. I'm going to do it new, and I want you guys to help me. So that's why I'm putting it out there. So y'all keep me accountable, and you guys can help me out. We can do this together. If any of you guys have ever failed at losing weight in the past, don't worry. We got this year. Like, we got this year. 2017, year of the sleigh. We're going to be killing it. Killing it. And if you guys have lost weight before, please leave me your secrets, your answers, what y'all do, what y'all eat, because I'm a picky person. I don't like to eat everything. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a vegetable person. I don't really like vegetables that much. I know I'm supposed to eat them, but I really don't. So what are some nice vegetable recipes that I can eat? Like, I need help, y'all. Like, that's why I'm coming to y'all, because y'all the experts. Y'all know everything. So yeah, so I guess that's all I have to say is, you know, I really want to start a weight loss journey, and I'm hoping that you guys will take this journey with me. If you guys are interested in seeing what I do, like if you guys want me to vlog when I'm going to the gym and the workouts that I do, then definitely let me know how you want us to do this. If there's an app that we can all like correspond on, y'all let me know. But I'm really excited to start on this weight loss journey. Like, I'm really excited. Like, I'm excited to start. That's why I started the water thing already, because it's like I'm already really excited about it. So yeah, I'm really hoping that it works out for me this year. Like, I'm really hoping that this time next year I can be creating a video saying that I've lost X amount of pounds. Oh, so I guess I'll start off by saying what my actual goals are. Like, come on, Ashley, tell them what your goals are. So I really want to lose 80 pounds, because 80 pounds would put me back into the 100s. So I guess y'all can do the math, okay? Y'all can do the math and know how much I weigh. And if I lose 80 pounds, I will be back in the 100 section, okay? It'll be the high hundreds, but it'll put me back in the 100 section. So yeah, I really want to lose 80 pounds. And you know what? I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. It's not even necessarily so much a weight thing as in what the scale says. It's more of how I want my body to look. I don't aspire to be skinny. I never want to be skinny. This body is never going to be skinny. I'm just going to put it out. It's never going to be skinny. But if I could be like a size 14, I would be really happy. Like, you know, like I would love to be like a size 14. So I'm hoping I can lose 80 pounds or have a certain body size type that I'm very content with. Like I said before, I am very happy with myself. I don't hate myself. I'm not doing this because I despise the way that I look or anything. I'm doing this because I feel good about myself and I want to feel even better about myself. So I'm using positivity as motivation instead of negativity as motivation, like I was explaining before. So I'm using all this positive energy and good vibes, like my pillow says, to lose weight and to feel even better about myself. Because right now, I feel like I'm the hottest thing out there. But if I lose some weight, I'm definitely going to be the hottest thing out there. Like, what? Like, y'all know I'm being silly. But yeah, that is what I'm trying to do. And I'm really excited to start this weight loss journey. So I have enrolled at Good Life Fitness. They're actually making a new one right down the street from my house. They are going to be opening in January. So as soon as January starts, I'll be hitting the gym. I think they're actually going to be opening about like January 6th or so. So I'm going to be having to do some like home workouts until the gym actually opens. So definitely gonna do a, you know, starting weight video and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys will come along this journey with me. Make sure you guys also follow me on Snapchat. I'm always on Snapchat. You guys can definitely keep up with me on Snapchat, and I'm gonna leave my Snapchat name right here so you guys can go ahead and follow me. Be sure to obviously follow me on Instagram, because I will be posting lots of before and after pictures, week 1 versus week 8, and you know, show the comparison as to how far or how much weight I've lost, or how many inches I've lost, and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well, and it'll be right here. And yes, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are doing a weight loss journey, let me know for sure. Tag me in your videos or in your posts. Leave your links down below. Let's all do this together. Let's all get our body right for 2017, because like I said, it's gonna be the year of the slay, and we're slaying everything. Okay, we're not only slaying our bodies, y'all. Let's get our pockets right too. Let's save a little bit more money. Let's do a little bit more good deeds out there, you know, like let's just do more positive things. Okay, good vibes only, good vibes only. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. And I love you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.